Decoding health insurance? It's easier than you think. Navigating the world of health insurance can feel overwhelming. The terminology alone, premiums, deductibles, copays, can sound like a foreign language. But understanding health insurance is crucial for managing your health and your finances. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it seems. This guide will demystify health insurance, breaking it down into manageable concepts and real-world examples. We'll explore the key terms you need to know, understand how different costs work, and learn how to choose a plan that aligns with your healthcare needs and budget. With a little knowledge and the right tools, you can confidently navigate the world of health insurance. Let's get started. Health insurance costs, a three-level approach. Think about health insurance costs in 3 levels. Each level represents a different way you share costs with your insurance company. Level 1, you pay everything. This level applies to preventive care and some basic services. You pay the full cost until you reach your deductible. Level 2, you share costs with your insurer. This level kicks in after you meet your deductible. You and your insurance company split the costs of covered medical expenses through copays, coinsurance, or both. Level 3, your insurance pays everything. Once you reach your out-of-pocket maximum, your insurance company covers 100% of covered medical expenses for the rest of the plan year. Understanding premiums, your monthly fee. Your health insurance premium is the monthly payment you make to your insurance company, regardless of whether you use healthcare services. Think of it like your membership fee for having health insurance. Premiums vary based on factors like your age, health status, location, and the type of plan you choose. For example, a young, healthy individual might pay a lower premium than an older individual with pre-existing conditions. Similarly, plans with broader coverage and lower out-of-pocket costs typically come with higher premiums. When comparing plans, consider your budget and how much risk you're comfortable taking on. Deductibles, copays, and coinsurance, sharing the costs. These are the key components that determine how much you'll pay out of pocket for your healthcare. Once you've met your deductible, you enter the cost-sharing phase with your insurance company. This means that your insurance starts to share the costs of your medical expenses. This is where copays, coinsurance, and out-of-pocket maximums come into play. Each of these terms represents a different way you share costs with your insurance. A deductible is the amount you pay for covered healthcare services before your insurance starts covering a portion of the costs. It's essentially the threshold you need to reach. For instance, if your deductible is $1,000, you'll pay the first $1,000 of eligible medical expenses yourself. Only after this, your insurance kicks in. A copay is a fixed amount you pay for a specific healthcare service, such as a doctor's visit or prescription drugs. This amount is usually quite predictable. For example, you might have a $25 copay for a primary care visit, which is a standard amount for many insurance plans, or a $50 copay for a specialist visit. These amounts can vary depending on the type of service and your specific insurance plan. Copays are typically paid at the time of service, making it easier to manage your healthcare expenses on the spot. Coinsurance is the percentage of costs you share with your insurance company after you've met your deductible. This is usually a percentage rather than a fixed amount. For example, if your coinsurance is 20%, you'll pay 20% of the costs for covered medical expenses, which can add up depending on the service, while your insurance company covers the remaining 80%. Understanding these terms can help you better manage your healthcare costs. Out-of-pocket maximum, your financial safety net. The out-of-pocket maximum is the most you'll pay for covered medical expenses in a plan year. It includes your deductible, copays, and coinsurance payments. Once you reach your out-of-pocket maximum, your insurance company covers 100% of covered medical expenses for the rest of the year. For example, if your out-of-pocket maximum is $5,000, you won't pay more than $5,000 in total for covered healthcare services during that plan year, no matter how high your medical bills climb. This provides financial protection against catastrophic medical events. Choosing the right plan. Finding your perfect fit. Choosing the right health insurance plan depends on your individual needs and circumstances. It's important to take the time to understand what each plan offers and how it aligns with your personal health requirements. Factors to consider include your health status, anticipated healthcare needs, budget, and risk tolerance. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in determining the best plan for you and your family. If you're generally healthy and rarely visit the doctor, a high-deductible health plan, or HDHP, with lower premiums might be a good option. These plans are designed to save you money on monthly premiums. HDHPs typically have lower monthly costs, but higher deductibles. This means you'll pay less each month, but more out of pocket when you need care. They're a good choice for people who want lower premiums and can afford to pay more upfront if they need medical care. This can be a strategic choice for those who don't expect frequent medical expenses. If you have chronic health conditions or anticipate needing frequent medical care, a plan with lower deductibles and copays might be more suitable. These plans can help manage ongoing healthcare costs more effectively. While these plans come with higher premiums, they offer more predictable healthcare costs and greater financial protection. This can provide peace of mind and stability for those with regular medical needs. Mastering your health insurance tips and tricks. Once you've chosen a health insurance plan, there are several things you can do to manage your costs and maximize your benefits. Understanding the nuances of your plan can make a significant difference in your overall healthcare experience. Take advantage of preventive care. Most health insurance plans cover preventive services, such as annual checkups, screenings, and vaccinations, at no cost to you. These services can help catch potential health issues early, saving you money and ensuring better health outcomes. Use in-network providers. Staying within your plan's network of healthcare providers can significantly reduce your out-of-pocket costs. Always check if a provider is in-network before scheduling an appointment. Ask about generic prescriptions. Generic medications are just as effective as brand-name drugs, but cost significantly less. Always inquire if a generic version is available for your prescriptions. Review your medical bills carefully. Medical billing errors can happen. These errors can lead to unexpected costs, so it's crucial to scrutinize every bill you receive. Review your bills carefully and contact your insurance company or healthcare provider if you have any questions. Don't hesitate to ask for an itemized bill to understand each charge. Understand your plan's appeal process. If your insurance company denies a claim, you have the right to appeal the decision. Familiarize yourself with the steps involved in the appeal process to ensure you can advocate for yourself effectively. By understanding your health insurance plan, using your benefits wisely, and advocating for yourself, you can take control of your healthcare costs and make informed decisions about your health. Knowledge is power when it comes to managing your health insurance. What aspects of health insurance do you find most confusing? Are there specific areas where you need more clarity or assistance? Share your thoughts and let's continue the conversation. Engaging in discussions can help us all better navigate the complexities of health insurance.